Ready to embark on your next grand adventure but feeling overwhelmed by the labyrinth of travel luggage options? Fear not, fellow wanderers. In the quest for the best travel luggage, we're here to cut through the clutter and help you pack your bags with style and ease. Whether you're a minimalist globetrotter or a suitcase overpacker extraordinaire, our guide to the best travel luggage will equip you with all the tips and tricks to ensure you travel like a pro, leaving chaos in your dust. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Samsonite Omni PC, our pick for best budget travel luggage. Are you tired of dragging around luggage that looks like it's been through a war zone? Meet your new travel bestie, the Samsonite Omni PC, the carry-on that refuses to show its battle scars. At 20 inches, this compact warrior meets domestic carry-on requirements while still giving you enough room to pack that just-in-case outfit. Weighing in at a mere 6.81 pounds, you won't have to choose between bringing your favorite shoes or your laptop. Bring them both. You know how your phone screen gets all scratched up within days? Well, this bad boy's micro-diamond polycarbonate texture laughs in the face of scratches. It's like having a diamond-armored suitcase, minus the ridiculous price tag. Worried about sticky fingers during your travels? The side-mounted Transportation Security Administration locks have got your back. Only you and the Transportation Security Administration agents can peek at your carefully rolled clothes. And let's talk about those wheels. 4 oversized spinner wheels that make your luggage glide so smoothly, you'll feel like you're walking a well-trained show dog through the airport. No more awkward dragging or that annoying wobble. With dimensions of 19-inch by 14.5-inch by 9.5-inch, you'll have plenty of space for your essentials while still being able to avoid those dreaded checked baggage fees. Because let's be honest, you'd rather spend that money on vacation margaritas. Number 4. Travelpro Platinum Elite, our pick for best luggage for international travel. If you've ever played luggage roulette at international airports, then Travelpro's International Carry-On Spinner is your new best travel buddy. This savvy sidekick is like that friend who always knows the right thing to do. It's perfectly sized for those notoriously strict international cabin requirements. You know that feeling when you're running through Terminal B with a wonky wheeled suitcase? Kiss those days goodbye. This smooth operator glides on 8 self-aligning spinner wheels like it's auditioning for Dancing with the Stars. And the contoured grip handle? It's basically a comfort-engineered magic wand at multiple heights. While it may not be the Instagram influencer of suitcases with its classic true navy and rich espresso colors, this soft-side wonder is packed with more tricks than a magician's hat. There's a USB port for your device charging needs, compression straps to tame your overpacking habits, and a water-resistant toiletry bag because, let's face it, shampoo explosions are so last decade. Sure, it rocks a more traditional look with its fabric shell and leather accents. But this is the kind of reliable partner you want by your side when navigating foreign airports. It's like having a seasoned travel pro right there with you. Minus the jet lag and strong opinions about airplane food. Still searching for the perfect travel luggage? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. SHOWKOO Luggage Set, our pick for best 3-piece travel luggage set. Are you tired of dragging around flimsy luggage that looks like it's been through a war zone? Meet the SHOWKOO Luggage Set, your new travel companion that's tougher than your ex and smoother than your favorite pickup line. This 3-piece set isn't just another pretty face in the airport crowd. Made with extra thick polycarbonate and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene materials, it's like giving your belongings a superhero suit. Virtually indestructible and scratch-resistant. You'll get 3 sizes, and they expand by 20% because we know you're bringing back more than just memories. You'll glide through terminals like a travel ninja with the Whisper Quiet spinner wheels. These bad boys have been tested to walk 40 kilometers while carrying 15 kilograms. That's more reliable than most relationships. The ergonomic aluminum handle adjusts to 3 heights, perfect for you and your varying levels of travel enthusiasm. Security covered. The Transportation Security Administration approved locks keep sticky fingers at bay while letting agents do their thing without turning your lock into modern art. Inside, you'll find more organizational features than your Type A personality could dream of, including a full zip divider and hidden pouches for those "where did I put that" items. Whether you're jet-setting for business or pleasure, this luggage set handles your belongings with more care than an overprotective parent. Plus, it looks so good, you might catch other travelers giving it the eye at baggage claim. Time to upgrade your travel game, don't you think? Number 2. Briggs Riley Baseline Spinners, our pick for best premium softshell travel luggage. If you've ever wrestled with a stubborn suitcase that seems to have a vendetta against smooth travel, it's time to meet your new best friend, the Briggs Riley Baseline Large Expandable Spinner. This isn't just any ordinary piece of luggage. It's like having a personal assistant who actually knows what they're doing. You know that moment when you're running late for your flight, dodging fellow travelers like you're in an obstacle course? That's where this beauty shines. Its wheels glide so smoothly, you'll feel like you're floating through the terminal. Let's talk organization. Because if your current suitcase looks like it's been hit by a clothing tornado, you're in for a treat. With more pockets than your favorite cargo pants and a tri-fold garment system that treats your suits better than most dry cleaners, you'll finally know where everything is. The expansion system is like Mary Poppins' bag. Just when you think you can't fit another souvenir, it proves you wrong. Sure, it's a bit pricier than your average suitcase, and it might be slightly heavier than that flimsy thing you've been dragging around. While it may not be completely waterproof, it's the reliable friend you want by your side from check-in to baggage claim. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Samsonite Freeform Hardside, our pick for best travel luggage overall. Are you tired of lugging around a clunky suitcase that seems to have a mind of its own? Meet your new travel bestie, the Samsonite Freeform Hardside, your ticket to hassle-free adventures. This sleek road warrior is like your personal bodyguard for your belongings. At 21.25 inches by 15.25 inches by 10 inches, it's perfectly sized to squeeze into those ever-shrinking overhead bins. Airlines won't give you the side eye when you stroll up to boarding with this cabin-friendly companion. Inside, you'll find a surprisingly roomy 19.5 inches by 14.5 inches by 10 inches space that's ready to swallow up your travel essentials. With elastic straps, a divider, and a handy pouch, your clothes won't look like they've been through a tornado when you arrive at your destination. Here's where it gets really good. You know those people who seem to float through airports? That could be you. With 4 oversized spinner wheels, this 6.5 pounds lightweight wonder practically walks itself. It's like having a well-trained puppy that actually follows your lead. And because we know you've got trust issues with airport handlers, there's a built-in Transportation Security Administration approved lock. No more fumbling with tiny keys or worrying about your unmentionables making a surprise appearance on the baggage carousel. The scratch-resistant exterior means your luggage will keep looking Instagram-worthy, even after being tossed around by the most enthusiastic baggage handlers. Ready to make your travel game as smooth as your suitcase's wheels? Woo! We made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best travel luggage. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which travel luggage you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.